Guys,
food,
good morning.
Hello, good
Kilala
morning,
niyo ba ang
it's a
fruits na to na
food.
parang kamatis?
One,
Yan. Yung kasing natikman ko nito, hindi siya masarap. Pero ito, masarap siya. Pero hindi ko alam kung anong pangalan nito sa English. Oo, Chinese lang alam ko nito. Ano sinabi nito na
what is it?
Kalimutan ko. I don't
What
know.
is it?
I don't know. What is this?
It's a fruit.
Yeah, it's a fruit. Yeah, I know. What kind of fruits this one, Baba?
Green.
Green, the color. What kind? What color is this? It's green, yeah. But what kind of what kind of fruits this one? What is the name of fruit?
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, I don't know.
It is a
Hindi ko alam kung anong English nito.
fruit.
Na para siyang kamatis
It's a
pero
fruit, yeah.
masarap siya. Bye bye. Good morning, guys.
It's a